Next, I would suggest you to download and install a plugin from our marketplace. So if you will go to extensions market, there is something called as live server. So just type in live server and you should have it. So I have already installed that in my machine. So just go on and install by using this page. So as of now, you were facing issue in auto loading the page. So if I will be changing something in my existing code, for example changing the h1 tag, then if I am saving this one, it won't be reflecting immediately. So you need to do a hard refresh in order to reflect the same. So that is where your live server will be coming into place. And once you will be installing live server, then you will have an option of live server below. So you can see this is where it's there. So you need to start this live server. You can see server is started at port 5500. So I need to navigate this particular port in order to access my server. So you can see it's already started in 5500. Now if I will be changing something, for example I will be removing this word and Control S, you can see it's automatically reflecting. So it's very handy and it will make your development and learning experience smooth. So I hope it will be useful and I will see you next in the JavaScript tutorial. Thank you.